guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see comparison video of fruity mango drink and Maaza. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and be part of our family. So without wasting any time, let's start. Today I have Maaza and Frooti with me. Now first let's speak about Maaza. This is how Tetra packaging of Maaza looks like. You will able to see the cost of the product, that is rupees 10. Over here you will able to see the name of the product, that is Maaza. You will also notice that they have used very beautiful creativity by using leaves as well as this mango. And over here you will able to see mango juice. Over here they have mentioned on packaging that this pack contains 66 kcal. Now let's see what they have given on the rare side of packaging. Over here you will able to see they have given one plastic straw, and on the packaging of that straw, recyclable straw, wrapper manufactured Polyplex Corporation Limited, Bajpur, Uttarakhand. Over here you will also able to see green dot. They have given trademark owner, the Coca-Cola Company. Ready to serve fruit drink. Ingredient: water, sugar, mango pulp, acidity regulators, stabilizers, sweetener, antioxidant, contains permitted synthetic food color and added mango flavor, nature identical and artificial flavoring substances contain fruits. You are also able to see the nutritional fact about the product: energy 44 kcal, sugar 9 gram, carbohydrate 11 gram, protein 0 gram, fat 0 gram, and it's best before 6 months from manufacturing when stored in a cool and dry place. For date of manufacturing, batch number and MRP include all taxes, see top of the pack. So here they have given manufacturing date, that is 14th of July 2021, and they have given batch number. Similarly, they have mentioned the cost of the product, that is rupees 10. They have mentioned that do not buy if package is puffed, tastes best when chilled. So if you are keeping this product in a refrigerator and after 2 hours if you are drinking this, they say that it will taste good. For manufacturing address, refer the 2 characters preceding date of manufacturing and see below. It's made in India itself and they got FSSAI license number. If you have any query about the product, then you can contact to them on their consumer response coordinator at the number which they have mentioned, and even they have mentioned their email ID. The net quantity of this product is 150 ml. On Tetra pack itself, they have given indulge in sweet taste of Maaza, India's #1 mango drink, made from real mango pulp. Never from concentrate, no added preservatives. Calculation based on data reported by Nielsen through its retail index service for soft drinks category. Mango drink segment for the 52 weeks period ending October 31st, 2019 for the India market. Copyright 2019 the Nelson Company. Here you will able to see they have given person using dustbin to keep environment free from dirt. Now let's speak about Fruity Mango Drink. This is the product of Parle Agro. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of the packaging. Over here they have done the same thing. On this Tetra Pak you will able to get plastic straw, which is manufactured by the same company itself, that is the company from Bajpur, Uttarakhand, and it's a recyclable straw. Here they have given manufactured by Parle Agro Private Limited of Western Express Highway, Sahar Chakala Road, Parsiwada, Andheri East, Mumbai, Maharashtra. For manufacturing unit and address, read the first 3 characters of lot number and see below. You will able to see that they have given the unit address and they even got FSSAI license number. In red color you will able to see they have given how may we refresh you. So if you have any query about the product or if you want to give them any suggestions, you can contact to them on this number or even you can write to them on their email ID. Here, once you finished off with this product, you have to keep your environment plastic free. So you have to keep this Tetra packet in a dustbin you can find nearby to you. The manufacturing date of this product is 12th July 2021 and the cost of this product is 10 rupees. The net quantity of this product is 150 ml. So you have to push the straw into this pack and you have to use. If I want to speak about both the product, then this product is manufactured by Coca-Cola Company, that is Maaza is manufactured by Coca-Cola Company and Frooti is manufactured by Parle Agro Limited Industries. In case of packaging, I like packaging of Maaza as they have used more creativity. You will able to see leaves as well as mango plus juice. So as compared to packaging, I like packaging of Maaza. Here you will able to see that they have given straws which are made by same company itself, Bajpur, Uttarakhand. And the negative thing about this product is that once you finished off using this straw and you have to just throw it in a dustbin. Using both this product, if you want to have this fruit juice, then you have to use straw, and that too which is provided by them. The net quantity of both the product are 150 ml and cost of both this product is 10 rupees itself. If I want to compare about the nutritional information about the product, then you will able to see that energy is 65 kcal in compared to Frooti, and here energy is 44 kcal in compared to Maaza. Protein is 0 gram in Frooti as well as protein is 0 gram in Maaza itself. Carbohydrate is 16.2 gram and carbohydrate is 16.2 gram in case of Frooti, and in case of Maaza carbohydrate is 11 gram. So they have used much lower carbohydrate in case of Maaza. Natural fruit sugar 2.5 gram in case of Frooti and sugar is 9 gram in case of Maaza. Sugar is 13.3 gram. Over here they have not mentioned about added sugar. They have just mentioned about sugar, that is 9 gram. Fat 0 gram for Frooti and In case of Maaza, they have used 0-gram fat. Both the products are manufactured in India itself. In my opinion, Frooti tasted much better than Maaza. So it's up to you. If you want to purchase any one of the drink, then just go to nearby general store and grab any one of the product. That's all in this video, guys. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Till now, bye. Thank you.